guess I should have showed you some of this before I ate. But really, the joy of food isn't when it's sitting on a plate, it's after it gets in your belly, right? That was a big old bowl of fried yellow noodles with vegetables and chicken, delicious. And there's another noodle dish with all the accoutrements, a Sprite, and there was also a water involved. Got all that for only $5 total. Right here at this place. I've ate here before in one of my earlier videos. I believe I mentioned this place. I just found it again though. Yellow Bamboo. You see that really good prices here. Look at that. Mushroom pork for $2, mushroom chicken, shrimp and basil, pineapple and meat. Look at noodles everywhere. Good prices, good prices. And like I said, when I first got here, I was just wandering around. I was lost. I had no idea where I was. I was hungry. Saw this restaurant. It's kind of hard to. It's easy to miss, especially if you're on that side of the road. But I stumbled on it one day, and I remember it was good and affordable, but I couldn't remember where it was or how I got there. And then walking along tonight, I saw it, and I was like, "Ooh, I've ate there before. That's where I want to go eat again." So close to where I live, so cheap, and so delicious. Definitely would recommend the Yellow Bamboo restaurant. And again, I apologize for not showing you the food before I ate, but the business at hand was getting full. And like I said, the joy comes from it being in my stomach, not on a plate. Both those noodle dishes with drinks, $5. Oh, just, that's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. Down here by the Bugs Cafe, I mentioned that before. Insect tapas and cocktail bar. So you can have a margarita with your aunt's stew or your cricket salad or what have you. Alright guys, I hear some music that I cannot have in my video. I'll talk to you later. Alright guys, it's the next day. Eating at this little street side stand. This is the aftermath again. All these plates were full when I started. 2 big plates of rice. You got nice chicken and broth there, which you pour some of that on your rice, and that is delicious. This chicken was amazing. That was beef and onions, also amazing. And for everything you see here on the table, it was just $2. That's $2 US for everything. I gotta tell you, I'm really full, but I'm finishing that because that is some amazing stuff. I'll show you the outside in a minute. I'm gonna finish up here later. The restaurant I just ate at is right across the street from the technology school. I don't know what that says, but that's where it is. It's right along the street. Yeah, right along this street. This way. Just in case you're wondering, I have no idea where it is, but here it is. And you can just point to what you want. Just point, and they will get it to you, and it will be cheap. And it will be delicious. Originally, when I was looking for cheap food, it was simply because of the fact that it was cheaper. Everybody knows I'm a frugal person, which is another word for cheap. And I knew there was something better than sitting down at a restaurant and paying $3 or $4 for a meal, which in itself is a good deal because you get a lot and it's very good. But I knew there was cheaper alternatives What I didn't expect is for me to simply love the taste of those cheaper alternatives much, much better. Then I do the sit-down restaurants. These the food here is just amazing. I just had some of the best beef I've had in Cambodia from that little street side stand. And that's saying something, because the if you ever come here and you have a choice and they ask you what kind of meat you want in your dish, always go with chicken or pork. The beef here is really underwhelming for the most part. And the reason for that is because, unlike in the West, where the cows are roaming a field of grass and eating good stuff all day, the beef over here, the cows and everything are working animals. They're in the fields, they're plowing fields, they're working, so they're really lean. They don't have as much fat, and we all know fat equals flavor, and the meat's a little tougher. It's hard to get good beef here, but they did the right thing. They chopped it up into little tiny pieces, and then they grilled it until it was perfectly done, very tender. The onions were amazing with it. Add that with the rice. Just a simple, perfect, delicious meal. And as I said, for only $2. Definitely a win-win situation. Just gonna head downtown, see if anything's happening. You never know here. You could just run into the most obscure things sometimes. And that always keeps me motivated, because I can never think of a good reason not to walk downtown. You never know what you can see. But yeah, if you get a chance, get down this road right here and give that stall a try. You will not be disappointed. Your stomach will be happy, your taste buds will be excited, and your wallets will thank you. Talk to you later. And there was my purchase for today. It's a little mini speaker, Bluetooth. I was having problems in my Google Chromebook when I was watching movies. Couldn't hear the dialogue because my speakers suck on that thing. TV shows are generally good, but the movies, whew, the movies are not good at all. And I needed one. She was asking $9, I got it for $5. Should do the trick. And now $1 smoothie time. Banana. And snacks, I guess. I guess snacks. But you know me, I cannot pass up a $1 smoothie. It's just too delicious. And I don't think my friend Seng can pass up whatever that is. Thank you. So, get the snacks out of the way. Oh, it's grilled corn, and it looks like grilled bananas also over here. Smells really good. Ooh. Smells really good. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go back to the apartment. I'm gonna get this edited. So I'll talk to you guys later.